Experiencing internet issues with your Rogers router? Don't worry. The first and often most effective solution is a simple power cycle. A power cycle clears temporary glitches without erasing your settings. To power cycle your Rogers modem or router, unplug it from the power outlet. Wait a full 30 to 60 seconds. This is crucial to fully discharge the capacitors. Plug it back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. Typically, a solid green light indicates a stable internet connection. Now, test your internet connectivity on your devices. Power cycling should be your go-to method for issues like intermittent disconnections, slow speeds, or if your internet suddenly stops working. According to expert opinions, power cycling resolves approximately 85% of common home router problems, so it's always worth trying first. If power cycling doesn't solve the problem, a factory reset might be necessary. Keep in mind that a reset will erase your custom Wi-Fi passwords and settings, restoring the router to its default state. Locate the reset button on the back of your Rogers router, usually a small pinhole. Use a paper clip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights on the router start flashing. Once reset, connect to the router via an Ethernet cable to a computer. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.0.1 to access the router's setup page. You'll then need to configure your Wi-Fi settings, create a new password, and reconnect your devices. You can also use the Rogers app for a streamlined setup process, which allows you to easily manage your network and enable features like parental controls. Remember to check Rogers' outage map to ensure there isn't a widespread issue in your area before performing a reset. If issues persist, consider contacting Rogers support directly.